Now let's more talk about the HTML element. I'll show the example of each HTML elements. Now let's talk about the B tag. B tag is used to represent the bold text, and another one is the delete tag, and it is used to represent the deleted text. And another one is the I tag and the P tag, quoted tag. This Q represent the quoted text, and then the strong tag, it represent the strong text, and then subscript and superscript. This is repeated here, and another one is the underline tags. And also we'll discuss about the HTML comment. Last one is the HTML comments. If I go into the Visual Studio Code, we have already discussed about the image tag and the A tag. And inside the image tag, we have inserted image into the HTML document. And inside the A tag, we have inserted link into the HTML document. Let's create another file by pressing this button. And if I can give the name here, HTML element, element.html. And I can use here the boilerplate by pressing the Shift and 1, and if I press enter, then this default code will give to me. And I can create here, I can paste this code here. First of all, I will show you how we can, I can paste it code inside the body tag. And first of all, I will show you how we can write comment in HTML. If I select this all part here, and if I press the Ctrl K and C at the same time, then this is the comment in HTML. The comment means it doesn't execute. It just hides from here, and it doesn't reflects on the documents, or you can say the browser. So it's just right here to make the document purpose or to describe the code or the more about the code. Okay. So you can write the comment. If I type here this is comment, and if I want to write the comment, then just start the angle bracket and then just write the exclamatory mark and double dash. And at the inside also just put the double dash and then close angle bracket. So in this way you can write the comment. And to uncomment these things, just select this part and just type the Ctrl K and the U. If you press the Ctrl K U at the same time, then this will uncomment this part. So in this way you can use comment in HTML. Now let's start about the B tag. If I type B and if I press enter, then it shows me the B tag. And to write the bold text, first of all, I will create here the P tag, and inside the P tag, I can type here, this is normal text. And inside the P tag, I can write here, this is bold text. To run this code, you can simply click on the Go Live option. Just click on the Go Live option. And after clicking on the Go Live option, now you can see this is normal text inside the P tag, and this is bold text inside the B tag. So after this, if I again go into the Visual Studio Code, and I can write here the another tag, that is deleted tag. Sometimes we need to write in this way, my favorite color is, and if I put here the deleted tag and press enter, blue, and then I can put here the red. And if I go into the browser, then you can see this is my deleted text. I can give here the one space here, the blue, and then the red, blue and the red. But if I try to give the more space here, but I cannot give the more space here. I can give only one space. Okay, it will take only one space. So in this way, you can write the deleted text also. If you love the blue color, and if you said that my favorite color is blue, and in future if you change the color blue from the blue into the red, then you can just say that my favorite color is blue inside the deleted text, and after you can say the red is my favorite color. So in this way you can write the deleted text. And also we can use the italic text here. So if I type here the I, and you can just write here this is italic text. Okay, italic text. And if I run this code, then you can see this is italic text. Sometimes we need to write the italic also. And another tag is the pre-tag. So pre-tag is especially used in the poem format. So if I write something inside the pre-tag, and this is, I'm writing here in this way, I'm writing here in this format, by giving the space and so many things here. And if I go into the display, you can see that in the browser, then it shows me in a single line. It doesn't show any, it ignores all the white space and so many things. So it just display in a simple format. It means that it doesn't contain any white space and so many things, but I'm written in this format. And if I need in this format, then I can just use the another tag, that is the pre-tag. So if I type here the pre-tag, and if I put this all the text inside the pre-tag, okay, if I copy this code from here, and if I write here inside the pre tag. And if I go into the browser, then now you can see as it is the text we have written in the Visual Studio Code inside the pre tag. And another tag is we have strong tag. Another tag is Q tag. Q tag is used to show the quotation. Sometimes we need to write the quotation. Like if I write P, this is my STLNAT statement. And if I want to write any statement here, then you can write inside the Q tag. Just type the Q. Just type the Q. And inside the Q tag, you can give your statement here inside the quotation. And if I go into the plugin browser, in this way you can use the quotation. So after that, you can also use another tag, that is the strong tag. If you want to make the text as strong, then you can use simply strong tag. So just type the strong, and this is strong, strong. And if I go into here, now it shows me the strong text. And another one is this subscript. Subscript means if you want to write the S2O, okay? How you can write the S2O? S2 and then O. S2O. And if I go into the browser, now you can say this is S2O, but I need this S2 in the subscript. So to put this 2 in the subscript, you can just type here the SUV and press enter. And inside the SUV, just got this 2 from here and just put inside the subscript. And if you see here, in this way, you can write the S2O and just ignore the white space here. And in this way, you can write the S2O. And another tag we have, that is this superscript. This is repeated here. And another one is a superscript. Sometimes we need to write the formula like a square minus b square, or you can say the a square plus 2b plus b square. So how you can write the a square minus b square? If I simply type a square minus b square, if you go into the browser, it shows me like this. And if I want to put this 2 in this superscript, then I can simply write here an SUP and press enter. And inside I can give the 2 here. And also in the B, inside here also, I can just type the SUP and I can put 2 inside this superscript. And if I go into here, now you can see in this way you can write superscript also. And another tag we have, that is the U tag. U tag is especially used for the underlined text. So just type the U, and this is underlined text. And if I go into the browser, now you can say this is underlined text. In this way, you can use the different HTML element to show the different style of the HTML. So P tag is used for HTML, I tag is used for the italic text, and then the strong tag is used to show the importance of the text. And we can also use the subscript, superscript, U tag. So many HTML elements are over there. You can practice by yourself also. But I'm trying to make you that concept clear. We can use the HTML elements in this way. And if you need an image, we can use the image tag. If you need a link, then we can use the link tag. And also in remaining videos, we'll discuss about the tables and then the forms in HTML, which is the important concepts. And also if we need any HTML element in future, then we'll use them and we'll demonstrate them. And you can watch it by searching in the Google and so many things. But I'm trying to make you the concept clear. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.